Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss most important questions for TGT, PGT English Literature and other English teaching exams. So let's start. Question number 1. Which of the following is a work of Milton? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be De Doctrine Christina. Option B will be the right answer. De Doctrine Christina in 1823 attributed to John Milton, who died 148 years prior. Since Milton was blind by the time of the work's creation, this attribution assumes that an amanuensis added the author. Next question. Question number 2. Who calls Milton God gifted organ voice of England? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Tennyson. Option D will be the right answer. Lord Tennyson said about Milton in his poem Milton. This poem belongs to a group of poems in which Tennyson experimented in the use of quantity in English meter. Alfred Tennyson is an English poet often regarded as the chief representative of the Victorian age in poetry. Next question, question number 3. One of the following works of Milton is a prose work. Mention that. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Areopagitica. Option D will be the right answer. Areopagitica, a speech of Mr. John Milton for the liberty of unlicensed printing to the Parliament of England, is a 1644 prose scholar and polemical author John Milton opposing licensing and censorship. Next question, question number 4. Milton's Paradise Lost. What will be correct answer? Milton's Paradise Lost is notable for its autobiographical passages. So the answer will be option B. Milton's Paradise Lost is notable for its autobiographical passages. Paradise Lost is an epic poem in blank verse by the 17th century English poet John Milton. The first version published in 1667. Next question. Question number 5. Galsworthy is. What will be correct answer? Galsworthy is a realist, both minute and delicate. So the answer will be option C. Galsworthy is a realist, both minute and delicate. Galsworthy is 1867-1933 and was one of the most popular writers of the early 20th century. Next question, question Question number 6. John Galsworthy novels are chiefly occupied with the effect and conflict of. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be class traditions upon society. So the C will be the right answer. John Galsworthy's novels are chiefly occupied with the effect and conflict of the class traditions upon society. Galsworthy is best known for his literary series, The Forsyte Saga, his portrayal of British upper classes, and his treatments of social values. Next question, question number 7. Galsworthy belong to. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be the 20th century. So the option C will be the right answer. John Galsworthy is an English novelist and playwright. In 1906, Galsworthy enjoyed a triumph with his first play, The Silver Box. Galsworthy belonged to the 20th century, who won the 1932 Nobel Prize in Literature. Next question, question number 8. Which of the Greek plays was a source for The Winter's Tale? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Alcestis. Option B will be the right answer. The source of Shakespeare's The Winter's Tale 1609 to 11 was the ancient Greek tragedy by Euripides. Alcestis 438 BC. Next question, question number 9. Which poet made illustrations for Il Penseroso? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Milton. Option B will be the right answer. William Blake made illustration for Il Penseroso is written by belated Elizabethan poet John Milton. John Milton 1608 to 1674 is an English poet which considered the most significant English author after William Shakespeare. Milton is the best known for Paradise Lost. Next question, question number 10. Which text of Milton does the following line appears in? Thou canst not touch the freedom of my mind. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Comus. Option B will be the right answer. Comus is a masque in the honor of chastity written by John Milton. Famous line, thou canst not touch the freedom of my mind, appears in this masque. I hope you enjoyed the learning 10 questions. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.